Hello everyone, this is Out of the Box Unboxing, and in today's episodes I'm going to review Cordless circular saw that I have bought it recently. I don't remember, but as far as I know, this is the first time when Lidl is selling such device. They have in their portfolio, in Lidl's portfolio, other circular saws, but this 12 volts, I think it's the I'm almost sure that it's first their attempt. You can know it by this A1 letter. But okay, without further ado, what I think about this device. First of all, the plastic is different than the other Parkside Cordless family. The plastic is different here. Here is actually, in my opinion, slightly better, but okay, maybe it's my first impression. But here, I think it's different. I don't want to say it's worse or better, but it's different. But what is annoying about this device, it's lack of precision in this power switch. Okay, let me show you. Let me demonstrate. To actually turn it on, you actually need to click this security button, which is in most of such devices as a standard. And look, I'm trying to push. Actually, I'm pushing a lot. It's like a half of centimeter, maybe 1 centimeter, and I need to press it almost to the very end, and then it starts to working. So this is what is annoying. You can see even how much you need to press it. Not yet, nothing's happening. Even here you have this tiny light to help you in your daily job. It's even not lightening. So this is, in my opinion, something which should be improved. Maybe in the later next model it will be done, but for the time being, this is the most annoying part of this this device. From the practical point of view, you want to cut something, and you cannot, because you can see how much you need to press it. And even if you press it to the very end, I would say the lag time, it's like lagging in the video games. You may see. Okay, let's wait. I will press it to the bottom in 3, 2, 1. It's like a half of the second differences. So that feels not so great. And second thing, the battery. In my opinion, the battery is also how much? 2000 milliampere hours, but produced in March 2018. And even here you can see it's slightly different than the other 12 volts family. So for sure some new supplier for Lidl, but we will see how it will work in the long run. Okay, but for the time being, thank you for watching. Stay tuned and see you next time. Bye.